Do you have a watermark in your video like this? Don't worry, you can turn this into this. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove watermark from video without blurriness. Let's get started. Go to Google and search for any eraser. Click on the first result. Click on Try It online. Alternatively, you can download the anti-eraser software onto your device. You'll be prompted to log in. Click Login with Google. A sign-in window will pop up. Select your Gmail account to log in. Click Continue. You will be redirected to this interface. Click on Upload here. Select the video file from which you want to remove the watermark. Click Open. Wait for the video to upload completely. Once the video is uploaded, you will see a preview of the video. Increase the brush size. Use the brush tool to paint over the watermark you wish to remove. After selecting the watermark area, click on the Remove Objects Now button to initiate the removal process. Be patient, as this process may take some time depending on the size and complexity of the video. Once the removal process is complete, click on Download. Once it's downloaded, click on the folder icon to locate your saved video. Double-click on the video to view it. As you can see, the watermarks are gone without blurring. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.